It always befuddle me, confuse me when I see people discussing Tinubu, right? As if they voted me into office. Talking about this guy promised electricity during his campaign or during his announcement, and he didn't do it, so we should not vote him. Did you put him there in the first place? Have you forgotten that you did not put him there in the first place? Have you forgotten? Why are we wasting our energy with all this discussion? What is the thing that is happening? Are you like, do you guys forget? Like, do you know that if you stay in your house and tie lizard together and tie some things and say that people of a certain energy should not come near you, do you know that those people will not come near you? Do you know that if you put so and so and put it in a fence, and put it on your fence or in a fence and say that people of so and so should not come inside this place, people of so and so will not come inside that community. People in the southeast can tell you about communities that war did not come to. So I'm not even too surprised. That was why I'm just like, everybody should just get active. Like the same way that they are tying lizards to wave energy, the same way they are tying entire nations, because niggas are just interested in things of the flesh. Say less.